My favourite thing about Pontypridd Park Run is got to be the people. The atmosphere that they create here, week in, week out, is incredible. And it doesn't matter how fast or how slow you run, everyone's just so encouraging, and it's such an uplifting atmosphere here. They're so happy and bubbly every Saturday morning. It's just lovely to have that reason to get out of bed and come and get some fresh air. It's brilliant.
Park Run in Pontypridd is pretty special. You meet like-minded people that really enjoy running a 5k on a lovely day like this.
Gets you out of bed in the morning, it gets your exercise done early, meet lots of lovely people. It's great.
Yeah, definitely. It's a proper family here. We didn't know each other before Parkrun, did we? And now we're good friends, good pals, and yeah, we absolutely love it.
I just love the atmosphere on a Saturday morning, getting out and meeting lovely people.
I've been here ever since day one, so 10 years I've been here now. It's just a massive family and it's a brilliant thing to do on a Saturday morning.
Okay, so the feedback that we get from participants is a really friendly, welcoming event, and we like to try and create a bit of an atmosphere out on course, and that's only provided by our volunteers. Without our volunteers, there is no parkrun. So even if you don't want to run, please come and volunteer and experience this really unique atmosphere here in Pontypridd.